So, a carpet cleaner asked me how to get past customers to rebook without feeling pushy about it. And here's exactly what I told them. So, here's what was going on. They'd been in business for a few years. They had hundreds of happy customers, great reviews. People would always say they love the work and I'll call you next time. But here's what was actually happening. 6 months would go by. Those customers, their carpets needed cleaning again, but they didn't remember the company name. They didn't dig through the old receipts, emails, and messages to find the number. They just Googled carpet cleaner near me and picked whoever showed up first. So, all those happy customers, people who already knew them, already trusted them, were going to competitors. Not because they didn't like the work, just because nobody ever reminded them they exist. And I get it. They didn't have time to sit down and reach out to hundreds of past customers one by one. So here's what they did in 3 steps. Step one, they took every customer they'd cleaned for, even though it was just a list of names and phone numbers on a spreadsheet, and loaded them into the system. This is important because if those names are just sitting in a spreadsheet or saved in your phone, nothing's happening with them. They're just sitting there. Once they were in the system, they could reach out to them at once. That took about 10 minutes. Step two, they sent all of them one simple friendly message. Not a sales pitch, not a coupon, just something like, "Hey John, it's been a while since we cleaned your carpets. We're booking spots for this month and I wanted to reach out before the schedule fills up. Want me to save you a spot?" And this matters because the tone is everything. It's short, it's friendly, it feels like a real text from a real person. Because it is. It's just going out to everyone at once instead of typing it 500 times. People respond to messages that feel personal. They ignore stuff that feels like a blast or an ad. And then step three, within a few hours, their phone started blowing up. People replied, "Yes, when can you come? I was just thinking about this." And when someone replied, the system automatically sent them a booking link so they'd pick the time and land right into the calendar. No back and forth, no phone tag, no chasing people down. They booked 14 jobs, all from people who had already known them, already trusted them, and were just waiting for someone to reach out. That's money that was already there. They just hadn't gone and picked it. So if you want to do something similar for yourself, I built this free tool that walks you through how to do this step by step, even if you're not a techie. And if you want to try it for yourself, the link's in the description. Or if you'd rather have someone help you with this, I do a free 30-minute call. We'll get this set up and running for your business. No charges, no strings attached. That link's below too. If this was useful, pass it along to another carpet cleaner and I'll see you in the next one.